Hello there guys and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to talk about the chown command. Okay, so what is the chown command? The chown command is used to change the owner and or the group of the file. You need super user permissions to execute this command. What that means is that you have to prefix it with sudo, or you need to be the super user. But as I already told you in the relevant tutorial chapter or the relevant tutorial section, I prefer to use sudo over being a super user. To change only the owner, its syntax is as follows, okay? So let's say that I wanted to change the owner of ls.txt. What I would do is I would write change owner, then I would write the username of the new owner, and then I would write ls.txt. If I wanted to change both the owner and the group, I would write a colon, and then I would write new group here, okay? And if I wanted to change just the group, I would just write a colon and a new group. Okay. I never needed to mangle with groups, and I did have to change owner once, I think, in my Linux journey so far. So just understand that you can change the owner as I just described, and not just recently, but basically just to repeat, you can just do it like this. So chown new owner, and then the file where you would like to change the owner. And again, you are going to need to have super user permissions to do so. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next tutorial and talk to you soon.